Hey there! A self-service laundry is a place where you pay to use machines that wash and dry clothes, blankets, sheets, and towels. In the USA, you find machines that operate when coins are put in them. In this laundromat, they take credit cards and Venmo as payment. While I'm waiting my clothes to get clean, I distract myself with an interesting book or even get some work done. First of all, you need to pay for an unoccupied washer or dryer, and then load your clothes into the drum. As soon as the cycle is finished, I start looking for an unoccupied dryer. Here I'm removing my clothes from the washer to transfer them to the dryer. I normally select a medium temperature that is not too low and not too high and press the start button. Now I have another 45 minutes to kill. As you see, I have a bunch of clothes to fold, and I've learned that folding your clothes as soon as they come out of the dryer reduces the odds that static cling and wrinkles develop on your clothes. I can guarantee that going to a laundromat will offer you a pain-free way to deal with your laundry. Take care.